All right, so I am working on my 1997 Nissan Pickup here, and my turn signal switch is broken for the brights when you're supposed to be able to lock them in there, and there's no clicking. So we're gonna get that replaced today, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, so looking underneath, you got 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Phillips head. You gotta get those out. All right, so now we got those screws out. We're gonna pull this thing down. Oh, goodness. All right. That's pretty easy. That's really all you need to do right there as far as pulling it down. Because now we have full access. So now you're just gonna hit that screw there and that screw there on the top. All right, now it should just come right out. Slide on out. There we go. All right, and then we'll have a couple connectors we got to take off here. Click that piece down right there, that little clip, and it should pull right out. And then same thing for up here. And depress that clip and pull it out right there. All right, so now we're removed. It helps to use a smaller screwdriver to kind of poke down in there to get this smaller one off. This one had no problem grabbing it with my thumb there. All right, so here's the old one and here's a new one. Let's go swap it out and test it out. So obviously you do everything in reverse order to get this back on there, but I'm gonna show that really fast. All right, connectors are on. Slide it back in, put screws back in, push the clips back into place, and get all your Phillips head screws in there. All right, last thing we're gonna do is verify to make sure everything works. Turn it on, hit the turn signals. Good there, lights, brights, good, and it holds. Wonderful. All right, well, it's as simple as that. We're done. It only took about 15 minutes. The part cost me like 20 bucks on Amazon. If you guys found this video helpful, please like and comment. If it was of value to enough people, then I'll consider videoing future repairs I do to make y'all's lives a little bit easier. Hope you all have a good day. See you on the next one.